Let me show the testing operation of EB1200 shortwave and 6 meters power amplifier with the MRFX 1K ATL DMOS transistor inside, and it has a touch screen. The LPF band switching can be made manually or in automatic mode when external band decoder is being used, like I do. You can see it above the coaxial switch. The ISO transceiver will be used as a driver. Reference power meter is a Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands. And I've got two dummy loads. The small one is 25 and the big one is 50 ohms. Internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird on 20 meters band. Let me show. I transmit, we see 1000 watts on Bird and same level on internal power meter. But this amplifier is okay for drive up to 80 watts. So let me set the 80 watts on input and I will show how it works band by band, starting from 160 meters. I will set the 80 watts on 6 meters too. Then some CW operation. High power protection is enabled. Let me decrease slightly and drive on high frequency bands. This is B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now let me return to central frequency of shortwave bands in the packet mode. Now I will switch the dummy load from 50 ohms to 25. which represent a SWR on output as high as 2 to 1. If I try to transmit, high SWR protection is enabled in Amplifier. To reset it, I have to switch it off for a few seconds. Meanwhile, I will decrease the power approximately 2 times down. If SWR in your antennas is high, all you have to do is just to reduce driving power. But if I raise it slightly, say to 50 watts, protection will be enabled. Okay, once again I switch it off. I return the 50 ohms dummy to show that everything is okay. If I will try to overdrive it, say to 90 watts, high power protection is enabled, and the 50 volts is switched off, by the way. Once again I switch it off, I reduce the power to normal level, and show that high power. Okay, everything is okay. Means that 75 will be better for this amplifier. I will change this 80 to 75 for you, just to remember. Well, that's all for this amplifier.